Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach Moore with howcraftcollection.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Stealing Stars earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, these little silver-plated flower tubes, silver-plated moon and star lentils, silver-plated cut lentil bead. We will need eye pins, head pins, a 5mm jump ring, an ear wire, and size 3 crimp beads or small silver-plated spacer beads. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found at howcraftcollection.com. Search Stealing Stars earrings. We're going to start off with earring prep. We're going to prep all of our little components before we put them together. So we need to create 6 of our tubes. I have already created 5. So we're going to grab our little silver-plated flower tube, and using an eye pin, we're just going to string that down. And we are going to bend the wire, trim that wire, and now we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. And we are going to do 6 of these. Our last prep is this center dangle right here. So we are going to grab an eye pin and our silver-plated cut lentil. And we're going to string that down, and I want a little bit of length. So I'm going to grab my chain nose pliers, and I'm putting it right there. And then I'm going to bend the wire back. Come back over. Trim off that little end. And now we are going to form our simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Now we're going to create the bottom portion of the earring using an eye pin. We are going to come over, grab one of our size 3 crimp beads, string the first dangle, come back over, size 3 crimp bead, our center dangle, size 3 crimp bead, our last fringy dangle, and a size 3 crimp bead. Now we're going to connect our 2 side tubes. So I'm just going to come over, open this side, attach, and close. Now we're going to grab our second one, open the other side, attach, and close. Now we're going to make the connection on the top. So I'm grabbing my 5mm jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. So we're just going to open that. And we're going to come over to this side, and we're going to connect. And then we're going to grab our little dangle, and then we're going to come over to the other side and connect. And then we're going to grab our ear wire, put that down. And close the jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my Stealing Stars earrings. I want to show you real quick the Stealing Stars matching necklace. The instructions for this is on howcraftcollection.com. You just basically do exactly what we do on the earrings. So that's a fun project. And this week we also have the Stealing Stars bracelet. This bracelet is also on howcraftcollection.com. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. And be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week on howcraftcollection.com we feature an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.